Good evening. Dave here. I wasn't very well prepared for the unboxing, but I just received my MacBook Pro. It's still in the carton, and I'm not gonna be able to do it with one hand the way they do it on television. So I'm gonna go ahead and I don't have I'm not at home. I'm at work, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to unbox it as much as I can. And I'm inside the truck, so I'm very limited with space. So I managed to open the sides, and we still have to get to the part where I'm gonna open all these sides and get the box out. It's not exactly the unboxing, because well, technically it is. So sure enough, this is the actual box now. It kind of looks like those boxes where when you buy an iPhone, it comes with a box, and I guess you just pull it out. I guess I'm not gonna. I just need to rip this this plastic paper. There's a shrink wrap paper, and take it off, which is what I'm going to do. I don't need to do it on video because I only have one hand, the other hand holding the iPhone. And although you all have already seen the unboxing of these MacBook Pros, I'm going to go ahead and open mine up real quick, and voila, here is the it's still wrapped in. It's still a little Virgin computer. I have not opened the screen or anything yet on it. But I guess this is where you pull it out. And yeah, it's still wrapped in paper, and I'm gonna put this on the top for now. And it comes with let's see, what is this? I guess it's instructions. I guess. Yeah, some instructions and the power supply, and this must be the cable to power it up. It looks like the usual iPhone type of connection, but no, you know what? It's got a USB-C, and the other side should be. Wow, that's pretty weird. It's also a USB-C. I thought it would have like the actual iPhone type of connections, like the iPhones, the lightning connection, or whatever they call those things. And this thing here is pretty. Must be the power supply that feeds it, and yeah, typical Apple product. It's all white, and of course it's got the. It's got the connection for the outlet. That's pretty good. And I think that's it. The rest of the bottom is just pretty much empty. So what I'm going to go and do is I'm going to get the laptop and open it up real quick, and put this back in here. And I'll sort of put it back because I can't. There we go, like that. And I'm going to put it to charge. And once I know that the battery's charged, and I'll just open it up and pretty much take a screenshot of it or something, take a picture. I can't really do too many live deals on this thing. While I watch. I'm out in the middle of nowhere, out at the ranch. There's no internet here, so I wouldn't be able to upgrade. I wouldn't be able to do anything other than maybe just charge it up on the truck. This 2021 Chevy truck has one of those house outlets, the transformer outlets built into the truck. So I'll just put it to charge there, and then it charges until the battery's full, and then we'll see what happens after that. Thank you for watching this video.